The Green Line is a rapid transit line on the Chicago Transit Authority's L system. It is the only completely elevated route in the entire system. All other routes either have underground sections or sections at grade. It utilizes the system's oldest segments, dating back to 1892, extending 20.695 miles with 30 stops between Oak Park, Harlem/Lake, and Chicago's west side, to the Loop, and then to the south side, and West Englewood, Ashland/63RD, and Woodlawn, Cottage Grove/63RD. The Green Line is operated with the Bombardier-built 5000 series railcars. The 5000 series cars officially began running on the Green Line on July 1, 2012 after the Pink Line became fully equipped with the new cars. As additional 5000 series cars were assigned to the Green Line, the remaining 2400 series cars were reassigned to the red, purple and orange lines to finish their service lives. Occasionally, 2600 series and 3200 series railcars were used on the Green Line, though these were loaned from the blue, brown, and orange lines, and only when the Green Line was short on cars. With the 5000 series cars now completely equipping the Green Line fleet after the last of the 2400 series cars were reassigned in mid-May 2013. The borrowing of 2600 series cars and 3200 series cars is no longer necessary. The Green Line was the second line to be fully equipped with the 5000 series cars, following the Pink Line. Frequently, the Green and Pink lines borrow each other's cars when either line is short on cars. Trains operate using 6 cars during weekday rush hours and 4 cars during other times on weekdays and all day on weekends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.